guys? My name is Mitch. If you're new here, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You hit that little notification button and it'll let you know when I post. We are working on my Evo 10. So I have a Mitsubishi Evolution, so Lancer Evolution 10, and I'm gonna show you guys how to install some LED dome lights. I've been needing this for a long time. I've owned this car for like 4 years, and I've always wanted to do this to get a brighter interior because we're gonna be doing a lot of mods on my Evo. We're gonna be doing these interior LED lights. We're gonna be doing a new radio. I'm gonna do some upgraded gloss black panels, and we're going to be doing some new door cards that have leather from factory. So I'm really excited to do all this to make my Evo look a lot nicer. I have a Rally Red Evo. It's rarely in my garage. This is my daily driver, and I just wanted to give it some attention. So let's go ahead and jump into the car, and I'll show you how to install LED dome lights. So currently, as you come in, I do not have a sunroof, which I wish I had a sunroof. But these are the Dole lights that are in here, incandescent bulbs. And I'm gonna show you guys how to install them right now. As you guys can see, it's pretty dark in here. I do have all the windows down, but my car is tinted, and without the sunroof, it's pretty dark. So let's go ahead and pop those off. I'm gonna show you how to do that really easy. So you guys can see these are on. You can push that for the door or not. I know that a lot of people take a little tool, but I take a flathead screwdriver, very thin, and just push it in here, and it'll pop it out. Just like that. So pretty easy. We'll do the other one at the same time. Flathead screwdriver, it wiggles in there. Don't break it, just be careful and just pop it out like that. It's very easy. I mean, you don't have to break any of the plastic tabs. It's very simple to do it. I'm actually gonna put this down like that, and then let's do this. There's the next one. Okay, you don't want to run them too long because they'll get hot, but you can just put your fingers up in there and just wiggle them on out. So let's go ahead and do that. If you pull it towards you like that, it'll kind of wiggle itself out. They're kind of sharp angled. Let's do that right there, and we'll go back up. Again, same thing, wiggle it out. And then you're gonna want to discard those. You don't need to keep. So if you want a set of the new ones, you'll get 3 in your order. You can swing by my website, MITCHDORE.COMHOW, and I'll ship some of these out to you. So you can have a nice link to know the actual part number that fits right on there. We'll go ahead and set that one over there. We're gonna be using 2. So here's the old ones, and then here are the new ones from the website. Let's grab these 2. Now these are directional, so you're gonna wanna push it where it comes down towards you, so it'll wiggle in there. Let's go ahead and do that now. So, and it fits in there real nice. You guys see that? Perfect, and we'll do 1. Wow, holy crap. Ow, that actually hurt my eyes. That is so bright. I kind of want to go put one back in to do a comparison. So let's go grab an old one, put it back. Wow, look at that difference. Oh my gosh. So if you want a set of these, swing by my website, MITCHDORE.COMHOW. You can get a nice set of these. The reason it's going to come in 3 is because I'm going to show you guys here in a second how to do that one as well. So let's pull this one out before it gets hot and I get electrocuted. There we go. And then we'll go ahead and grab this other one. I'm actually gonna turn this off real quick. Grab the other one. We're gonna start on the back. Let's go ahead and put that in. You do want them to face down though, so make sure that they are directional. They're not, you don't want to face upwards, it won't be as bright. And then now you have both of them on, so perfect. So what you're gonna do now is to put the covers back on. Again, these are directional covers as well, so one fits one way and one fits the other way. There's these little clips in here you guys will be able to see. So we'll start, I believe, on the outside. And then like that, and then that, if you have it like that where the off, then you go ta-da. Cool. All right, so that one worked. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the other one again. I like to be detailed and thorough. You guys I'm gonna take you all the way. Pop, and then down, on. We're good. Very easy. If questions, comment down below, I'll help you. Let's move on to the back now. That's pretty awesome though, really good looking. We'll leave it like that. We'll move on to the back. Okay, so here is mine. You guys can see mine actually has a GoPro from when I used to go fast. Again, you're gonna wanna take the flathead screwdriver and pop it in there. So let me go ahead and do that now real quick. So I found it easiest, again, if you have a nice flathead screwdriver, to put it back in here and just wiggle it off like that, and it'll pop right off. Now, mine's probably gonna be warm because I left it on for a while, so I'm actually gonna grab one of my microfibers from my website and pop that off real quick. Okay, once you get in, it's gonna look like that. Can you guys see that? That's what it's gonna look like. And then here we go. This is gonna brighten. Oh my gosh, that thing is bright. Wow. So this one's a little bit easier with this cover. It's just gonna wanna pop right back on. I think I might remove my GoPro. I am actually gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna remove this real quick. I'm gonna heat this up and pull this off real quick. I don't think I'll be using too much GoPro footage anytime soon. So let me rip that off real quick. Okay, just pop that thing back on and then you're good to go. Look at that, so dang bright. It's pretty cool, I love it a lot actually. I think it looks really good. So I believe the middle is, if you have it on the middle, it'll turn on when you open up the doors. And then again, I have those ones set up there. It makes the car look so much nicer, so much more modern. So what I'm gonna be doing soon is, you guys can see that that's kind of like this like faux carbon fiber from factory. I'm gonna do a gloss black one from, I think it's just the later models. I don't think it's from the final edition earlier or final edition only. And then I'm also gonna be doing new door cards that have black leather on there. I think they look a lot better. It's gonna have the piano black on the door. And then I gotta get a new shift boot surround. Again, this one has that like faux carbon fiber. I'm gonna be doing the gloss black around there. And then on the next video, what we do next is we're gonna install a nice head unit for my Evo 10. That's the next one. So I'm really excited. I absolutely love this car. I've been daily driving it again for like 2 years, or like 4 years. And it's been a very, very good car to me. So it's time for me to show it some love. So this is pretty cool. The car is currently locked, but if you hit the unlock button, check this out. All of them light up. That is awesome. And then you're gonna hit the lock button again and they'll all dim out. So check that out, it'll all slowly dim out. Perfect, really good job. Very easy, not hard. Mitsubishi, again, probably should have done this from factory in my opinion. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, very, very simple. If you want a set of these, swing by my website, MITCHDORE.COMHOW. If you guys want some more Evo content, make sure to hit the like button. I love my Evo, and I hope you guys like Evos too. They're amazing cars, super fast. It's something that Mitsubishi did really, really good. Again, if you have any questions, comment down below. I'll help you for this. Very simple, very easy. This is probably one of the first things you should do to your Evo 10. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.